Okay, just wanted to do a quick review on the TNT Tooling wire stripper, the WSA wire stripper. I have the old one, this one right here, and this thing works great for either solid or stranded wire. I'll give you a little demo here. We're going to do just, regular extension cord. We have extension cords there. It's extension cord here. Other cords over there as well. The most key thing about this wire stripper that I've noticed is getting the cutters just to the right height. It's best if you hold it in a vise first, like I have. I'm sure you saw that. And then take it and I just visually look through and try to adjust it to get it to cut to the right height to the wire. And then usually you can adjust it further on the front. It comes with an Allen key. Keep it close. And it helps to spray it with a little WD-40. It's pretty easy once you get it set to the right gauge to pull the wire through. It's a little hard with one hand. Comes through like that, and then so you can see the cut there, and then pretty much as soon as you fold it, you can see you made it through. So put this down here. You can do it like that, or split it on the end. You can get it started that way. I'm just going to do mine with a razor blade for the sake of making it quick. So pull it through, and then with the extension cords, I don't go too deep because you end up nicking all the other wires. If you get a little popping sound, you know you got it right, because it's still very easy to pull out, as you can see. Drop all that junk off, you don't need it. Then you're left with your inner wire. Very quick, as you can see. We got to that point very quickly. Just, grab a wire off here. The strand stuff's easy, you can just pull it straight down. Now we're going to go to the other smaller size block here. I did the same thing, as you can see, with lining the wire up and trying to get it the appropriate size. This one works just as well too. So again, you just feed it on through. It should be relatively easy if you have it adjusted right. You don't want to cut too low, or else you'll be grabbing on your stranded wire. And just pull that through. Set this down again. I like to use wire strippers on the end. I got this tool. I've had it for a while. Works well. You just put it on there, snap. What works best with the stranded wire too, especially this thin stuff, is to give it a little twist before you pull it off. Then again, you look down, it'll be harder to see your cut line this time. Just fold the wire back 90 degrees and peel it over. And then you can just pull it away. Very, very simply. And ball it up and take it over to your bucket. This thing works great on all kinds of wire here. You can do thicker stranded, thinner stranded, solid, and then obviously the different thicknesses of the solid. If you look down here, I have very, very thin solid wire from a like a fluorescent light fixture. Got 10 wire, 12 wire down in there, 14 wire as well. There's all different kinds of stuff. The thing works great for all wires. If you get like me, you get set up here with your wire racks, and you get your whole spools going on here. Just pull them straight through, right into the trash can. As you can see, strip a lot of wire. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys you can still do the stranded. This is 10 solid. So great. Sometimes it's easy to just grab a pair of pliers through that way.
as you can see, she's split. Do a little bit of this time for you guys here.
That's it. It's about 40 foot of cord, because the first little bit was, you know, getting the sizes right and demonstrate it. And if I look on the video counter, it's about 5 minutes time. All that, 5 minutes.